Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in the kitchen, and guess what I have? This is the May Joyful Jordan box from Jordan Essentials. If you've not seen these before, it's a monthly subscription box full of all kinds of goodies, bath and body, healthy skin, healthy life type goodies from the company. It is $20 for the box. You can do it once, or you can do a recurring subscription where it automatically charges you each month and ships the box out to you. Or you can do a prepaid option where you do a 3, 6, 9, or a 12-month subscription that you prepay for. And the benefit to that is then you get enrolled in the Perks Club, which gives you a quarterly coupon, and it's usually a really, really good deal on one larger item. So I am excited to show you this. I have taken a peek and I know what is in the box, but they guarantee that it'll be at least $25 worth of product each time. So far, what I've seen is it's typically more like $30 to $40 worth of product. So for $20, it's a great deal. And what I have found is even if I don't use all the products in there, they make really nice gifts, and I've paid minimal for them. And the other fun thing about being in the or subscribing to the Joyful Jordan box or just getting one is that there are usually some exclusive items in here that are only available for that month while this current box is active. And then after that, those items are no longer available and they are not in the catalog. So that's the other fun thing. So, all right, let's take a look and see what we have here in the May 2019 Joyful Jordan box. So each box comes with a card, and the card is either usually a Bible verse or a nice little quote or thought from Nancy, the owner. So this one is a Bible verse. It's from Proverbs 31:10, and it says, "She is far more precious than rubies and pearls," which is very appropriate for this month of Mother's Day. And on the back of the card, it tells you what's in the box. So we have a set here. It says, "Nourish, exfoliate, and protect those hardworking hands and feet." So the first step is a salt scrub. So scrub, buff, exfoliate, and polish hands and feet, and that's unscented. So the nice thing about the unscented is that you could add an essential oil or two if you wanted to, or you can just leave it unscented, and then that's a nice, clean, fresh way to start. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up just to show you. If you have not seen our salt scrubs, they are really nice. We do not use any mineral oil, so there's no mineral oil, no parabens. There's all kinds of stuff like that that we make sure we do not use. So if you've seen others, sometimes there's a layer of oil at the top, and we do not have that. So ours are just a nicely blended mixture of salt and our shower gel. And I love keeping one at the sink in the kitchen, because then if I've been working with onions or something that's kind of a strong odor, I can scrub it off really fast, or even if I've been working outdoors and have some dirt under my nails, that kind of thing. And the other nice thing is this is a size that is not in the catalog right now. So currently you can only get a salt scrub in an 8-ounce jar. This is a 4-ounce jar. So this is a little bit smaller if you wanted to give it to give it as a gift to someone who hasn't tried it before, then they're not really into so much product, or like I mentioned, this would be a nice size to keep at the kitchen sink. The other good thing is a salt scrub works great to exfoliate rough, spots and patches like your elbows, your knees, your heels, especially as we go into the summer months. And I like to do one on my hands about once a week. And that way, all of the moisturizing treatments that we're coming up to here will actually work better because you've gotten rid of all the dead, rough skin. So that is the first step. Then step 2, and this is the one I'm especially excited about. So step 2 says nail repair serum, and this is definitely exclusive to the box. We have not ever had this in the catalog before. Use on cuticles, nails, and rough heels infused with jojoba, vitamin E, and a blend of essential oils, including palmarosa, lavender, tea tree, and eucalyptus. So I am super excited about this because maybe a few years ago we had a cuticle stick, and that it went away eventually. It was kind of like a little chapstick, but I think this is actually even better. So this is the rollerball essential oils with the jojoba oil base, and you just rub it on, which is so cool. And I am in the dishes and washing my hands a lot. just with my life and jobs that I have, multiple jobs that I have where I end up doing that. And then also I work outside some. So, just normal everyday life. But I love having something like this because I can just throw it in my purse. And then if I'm sitting at a stoplight or in a waiting room or, anytime you have a few minutes, you can do a nice quick little treatment and rub that in and give yourself a little nail repair, which is awesome. And I think this would be really good to use on, like she mentioned, too, heels and rough spots. And the scent, let me see if I can describe it to you. It's just kind of a clean, sort of has that pine and outdoorsy. I don't know, it's not that strong of an outdoor smell. It's just minimal, I would say. It's not an overly powerful scent. The eucalyptus and I think the palmarosa oil both are kind of what I'm smelling, and a little bit of tea tree oil, but it's not very strong. So that is a half an ounce, and I am super excited to keep trying this out and see how we go with that. So that's the second item in there. And then what's hiding under here besides our little proudly packed with biodegradable packing peanuts that will completely dissolve in water, which these are always fun. If you have kids around, then they have a great time with those. My daughter loves those. So step 3 is our Sea Spa lotion bar. And this says seal in the moisture and protect with solid lotion in a bar. And if you've not seen a lotion bar before, these are really cool. So it is basically a beeswax base, so it looks like a bar of soap. I'm going to open it for you here, but it has a lot of other healthy oils in it too, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, that sort of thing. So the benefit to having that beeswax base is that it can seal in the moisture. So beeswax melts at your body's temperature, so it's a little bit tacky at first, but then as you work it in, it becomes this really soft feeling on your hands, and you can just tell that they're protected a little bit from moisture. So I love keeping a lotion bar in the kitchen, because after I've done some dishes and I get some lotion back on, and that helps seal my moisture in before I go around for the next batch of dishes. So this is a great box. This is a good chance to try some new things out. And the value for the box is actually $42.50. So for $20, you're getting these great products, which is really nice. And as I mentioned, even if you don't want to use all of them yourself, you've only paid $20 for 3 really nice products, so you could gift 1 or 2. These are definitely going to be coming in handy as we're going into the summer season. It's hard to believe, but I know here in our area, most of the schools will be finishing up around Memorial Day. So summer is right around the corner, and I know that my hands and feet could use a little TLC. So I'm excited to give this a try. If you'd like to get one for yourself, you can leave me a message down below and I can get with you to have one sent out to you, or I'll put my link for my web store down in the description below, and you can always just click on that link and purchase it for yourself and put all your own information in, and then it'll just get shipped right to you. But that way they know that you found out about it from me. So thanks for joining me today. I hope you're as excited as I am about giving some of these new products a try, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks again. Bye-bye.